let's make some quick meal. Here I'm toasting some English bread, English muffin. So I'm just going to use 2 slices of English muffin. I made it a little punchy. So here I have avocado, and I'm going to use tuna. So this is a simple meal that you can make in few minutes when you are hungry and you're not ready to cook. This is the avocado. Look at this. This is huge avocado. So this is just what I do. This is gonna be my fat, is gonna be my dressing or whatever you call it. So just put it on there. It's gonna serve as my spread, my fat, my fiber, and everything I need for this sandwich. And I have tuna right here, my leftover tuna. It's just like a quick meal. It's very delicious. It's a savory meal when you not want to eat any sugar. And the English muffin is very savory. It doesn't have any sugar in it. So, I add the leftover of this. This avocado is a jumbo. I can eat it how many times? This is it. This is just a very simple meal. Look at how delicious this looks. So this is English muffin, avocado, and tuna. Here it is. Very, very delicious. You guys need to try this. Very, very delicious. You see how quick it is to make? And it's very delicious. That's all I have for you now. Please, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and let me know what kind of videos you want to see. And try this. This is a quick meal when you don't want to cook, you don't have energy to cook. Like when you come back from work and you want something really quick and healthy. This is full of fiber, protein, and that natural carb that you need. This food is savory, it's not sweet, it's not gonna raise your blood sugar. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Check out my playlist. I posted a video yesterday. Please go check it out. And another video on my night routines. So check it out. See you next time. Bye. That's the English muffin, avocado, and tuna sandwich. It's quick, my go-to quick meal. Thank you.